So can you make repairs before you file a claim? I've had some people contact me over the years several times, and they have done repairs and they wanted to file a claim. So they asked me, what can I do? How can I do it? What do I need to show the insurance company? So my name is Mike Keeler. I'm a licensed public adjuster in the state of Florida. So in order really to separate when we talk about what repairs can and can't be done before you file a claim, we have to dissect it as to what exactly we're talking about. All right. So if your repair is to prevent damages from getting worse, you can do that, as in a plumbing leak. Because there is a clause in your policy where you're supposed to mitigate your damages. In other words, prevent it from getting worse, whatever that might be. So if you had a pipe break, if you had a water line break, anything else where the water could still be leaking, you've got to do what you need to do to prevent it from getting worse. So having a plumber come and fix this leak is okay. Nothing wrong with that. So now let's talk about, we'll use that same example from the previous slide, and let's just say that there is a plumbing leak of some sort and it damaged drywall, baseboards, floors. Can you do the repairs on all of that? So day one, the leak happens, everything's damaged. Day seven, you fix everything, meaning baseboards, floors, drywall, everything's paint. And now you want to file the claim on day eight. So you can't do any repairs until the adjuster has already been out. So if the adjuster came out, you can go ahead and do some repairs. Now, in some situations, you can do some temporary stuff. For instance, let's just say the floor in your kitchen area was damaged substantially to where you had to remove some of it. And then now it's a hazard. Maybe you have friends come over, or it's I don't know, a home business and people come over, or you have you run a babysitter business, and obviously having that flooring uh, not completely installed at 100% and broke, or you just put in a temporary fix, that would be fine, a temporary fix, because you're preventing possibly a liability from happening, right? Whatever it might be, kids, friends, home business, as I mentioned. But again, the key is here. If you've done all the repairs before the adjuster comes out, that's not going to be good. No bueno. So the main reason why it's not a good idea to do the repairs, well, one, there's some language in your policy about that. So the insurance company will cry and complain that they were prejudiced in their investigation of the loss. Now let's just talk through this from a common sense perspective. You have something that's damaged. You decide, well, I'm just going to get everything repaired, and then you call the insurance company and you want them to pay for everything that you just had repaired. Well, they don't know what the heck happened. Doesn't that seem like common sense? Listen, it'd be the same way with a car accident. If you ran into a wall, you wrecked everything, you fix your car, and then you filed a claim, the chances of the insurance company paying for that, if you don't have evidence or a police report or something, it's not going to be easy. So it's the same thing here. And yes, they will deny your claim probably on that front, that they were prejudiced because they weren't able to investigate the claim. You have to give them the right to investigate the claim. So as I mentioned here, they're not going to be able to, basically what it comes down to is confirm the facts and the story of the claim on whatever you say happened. They just can't pay for something if they don't see exactly where the initial damage possibly came from. For all they know, maybe you just wanted to remodel the kitchen or bathroom. So keep that in mind. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. My name is Mike Keeler, licensed public adjuster in Florida. If you have any questions or need help with a claim, this is how you can contact me. Thank you.